Poland Work Visa Guide. 250,000 plus job vacancies nationwide. Poland continues to face labor shortages in logistics, construction, manufacturing, IT, healthcare, hospitality, and transport sectors. National labor demand data is tracked by Statistics Poland, GUS, and Public Employment Services. Average salary 7,500 to 9,500 PLN per month. Full-time employees in Poland earn competitive wages depending on sector and region. Major cities like Warsaw, Kraków, Wrocław, and Gdańsk offer higher average salaries. Low unemployment rate, around 5% to 6%. Poland maintains one of the lowest unemployment rates in the EU, according to Statistics Poland and Eurostat labor market reports. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Poland is 40 hours under the Polish Labor Code. Minimum 20 to 26 paid leave days/year. Employees receive 20 days less than 10 years of service, 26 days, 10 plus years of service. Minimum salary 4,600 PLN per month. The Polish national minimum wage is regulated by the government and updated annually. Flat 12% income tax. Poland applies a progressive income tax system. 12% for the lower income bracket, 32% for the higher income bracket.